This is problem number 4 for assessment number 7. In this problem it says, write a system of linear equations in two variables whose solution satisfies the problem. Then solve it symbolically and graphically. We're going to skip the graphically part, except for you're going to use Desmos to do that. So this you can use Desmos on. I'll just underline it. I can't really write in there, but this is Desmos. So 1,500 concert tickets were sold for the Fairmont Summer Jazz Festival. Tickets cost $20 for covered pavilion seats and $10 for lawn seats. Total receipts were $23,000. How many of each type of ticket were sold? Well, first of all, we're going to say X equals the, pavilion seats, so the number of pavilion seats. And Y is going to equal the number of lawn seats. Well, they tell us two pieces of information that are important. They tell us the 1,500 and the total amount. Well, 1,500 tickets, that's just X plus Y is 1,500. So X plus Y equals 1,500. And then they tell us that the prices for each seat, and then they tell us the total, so that means that $20 times the X values plus $10 times the Y values is going to equal this $23,000 amount. Now we have two equations here. We have X and Y in each. We can use either elimination or substitution to solve to do it algebraically. Obviously you can plug these two equations in for Desmos and find your solutions right away. Keep in mind I want to see the algebra as well. For me, I think I'm going to just use a little substitution here. Subtract the X. I get Y equals 1,500 minus X. I'm going to plug that in here and I get 20X plus 10 times 1,500 minus X equals 23,000. I get 20X plus, if I multiply that times 10, I get 15,000 minus 10X equals 23,000. I can combine the 20X and the negative 10X. At the same time, I'll subtract the 1,500 over, or not 1,500, 15,000. That leaves you with 8,000 on the right side. And on the left side, you get 10X. Divide by 10. That tells you that X equals 800. So we sold 800 tickets for pavilion seats. So we can say 800 tickets sold. Now we need to find the Y value. Well, how do we find the Y value? We take the 800, we plug it back in. So Y equals 1,500 minus 800, which equals 700. That means the number of lawn seats, that's 700 tickets sold. And so those are our two solutions, 800 tickets sold for the pavilion and 700 for the lawn seats.